My best friend Ross Heale bought this thing from a guy in Pasadena in 1957, 58. Anyway, Ross Heale was my best friend, and we got together with this car, and it had a Cadillac engine in it. Took it out and put a 331 Chrysler in it, which was a slug, and we took it to the drag races, and it went pretty damn fast. We put the blower, it went through 133 at Bakersfield in 1960 or 61. And it was from Arcadia. We lived in Arcadia. Had some problems, bad crankshaft. So I knew a guy, 1956 block and a crank for $600. I thought that was a good deal. So I bought that and took the other one out and put this one all back together. And had the 56 heads from something else.
Wow.
And it's got an Iskandarian cam in it and a Vertex mag, and the blower is overdriven 10, 20, 15%. It's pretty fast.
Right. Any future plans for it? Or?
No, I'm going to give it to somebody, I think.
Right. You take it to shows like this, I imagine, or
this
so?
one in the LA Roadster show,
Okay.
which is the best.
Hi, I'm Pinky Swear, and thank you for watching Blacktop TV.